Going by the 1:10 share entitlement ratio and how the hotels business is being valued by investors, the per share price of ITC Hotels, whose demerger from the parent company ITC has been approved by the board, could end up being above rupees 100. However, ITC shareholders will have to wait till November 2024 for the new stock to get listed on the exchanges. Hi, I'm Meghna Chadda from ET Markets, and let's do the math to figure out how the share price of ITC Hotels can go above rupees 100. As part of the demerger plan, ITC will own 40% of ITC Hotels. The remaining 60% will be owned by ITC shareholders in proportion to their ownership in the parent entity. For every 10 shares owned in ITC, shareholders will get 1 share of ITC Hotels. While calculating the share entitlement ratio, ITC did not use the valuation metric. This is because unlike different sets of mergers and demergers involving different sets of shareholders, 100% of the ultimate economic beneficial interest of the hotel business will remain with ITC shareholders. The entitlement ratio will not affect the market value of ITC Hotels, but will have a bearing on the price per share. Talking about the share price calculation, the total number of equity shares in ITC is now around 1,246 crore, while the same for ITC Hotels ahead of the demerger is 83 crore. The face value of both is rupee 1. Given the 1:10 entitlement ratio, ITC will issue fresh shares amounting to 124.6 crore, taking the total share capital of ITC Hotels to about 208 crore shares. Now, the hotels business, which reported an EBITDA of rupees 852 crore in FY23, is valued anywhere between rupees 20,000 to 24,000 crore. According to JM Financial, at 20 times multiple, when separately listed, ITC Hotels would command a valuation of rupees 24,000 crore and the share price would be around rupees 115, while MK is estimating the figure at rupees 22,500 crore with a share price of rupees 108. If the company is valued around rupees 20,000 crore, then the share price could be around rupees 96. The final price of ITC Hotels would be driven by market forces, as was seen in the case of Jio Financial Services, which demerged from Reliance Industries last month. Exchanges BSE and NSE held a special session on July 20th to discover the fair price of JFSL, after which RIL shares fell to reflect the ex-demerger price. Since ITC is also part of Nifty 50, Borsis can have a similar special trading session to determine the price of ITC Hotels. Post demerging the asset-heavy hotel business, the return profile of ITC is expected to substantially improve in the coming years. Investors are also hoping that the Kolkata-based company will eventually demerge its non-cigarette FMCG business and IT services as well. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.